Can be installed in any point of use situation where automated or manual machine or process status must be numerically indicated to operating personnel. Some typical point of use applications would include tank level, hydraulic pressure, oil temperature, liquid flow rate, saw stop position, in feed out feed gate position, conveyor speed, units per minute, web sag, material stack height, roller gap, and so on. Before we go any further, I want to point out that many traditional digital panel meters have limited display functionality and are often cumbersome to set up and program. For example, take a look at the diversity of types that existed in Balluff's previous generations of digital panel meters. Different form factors for different signal types and product series. Different signal types, for example analog and incremental signals, might have to be handled by panel meters from different manufacturers, meaning the form factor, appearance, setup, and operation could vary from unit to unit depending on the application. Even within a given manufacturer's product line, there may be wide differences between panel meters depending on the application. Also, for many traditional panel meters like these, the programming and setup procedure requires a complicated sequence of button pushes that are not supported by clear prompts to aid the user through the menu steps. This requires a lot of trial and error, leading to mistakes and user frustration. It can be especially troublesome in the middle of a downtime situation when there may not be someone in the plant who knows how to program the display. Now, compare that situation to Balluff's BDD 750 series of touch-operated digital display panel meters. You can see that there is a consistent style and design across all common signal types. These panel meters are very easy to use with intuitive touchscreen operation and consistent menu structure. Parameter setting is accomplished with the aid of plain text prompts that don't leave you guessing. They greatly simplify programming and setup and eliminate the hassle and frustration of working with a variety of non-user-friendly traditional digital meters. Now I want to briefly highlight just a few of the more interesting and useful features of these Balluff digital displays. For starters, they offer dual input, dual display operation. This helps conserve panel space and cut costs, allowing the use of one display unit for two process signals. In addition, it's possible to display diverse conditions on a single panel meter, for example, pressure and temperature. Another nice feature is the wide variety of engineering units that can be displayed, eliminating the need to create a physical label on the panel to indicate units. Some typical units could be volts, amps, millimeters, inches, feet per minute, gallon per minute, degrees Fahrenheit, or degrees Celsius. There's even the option to create a custom 16-character unit. The display can be set to different brightness levels in different colors: red, yellow, and green. Versions with switching outputs can offer operator alerts by changing color in response to programmed events. The change in color, for example, from green to red, can grab the operator's attention instantly. Some of the interfacing functionality offered on these panel meters includes a serial communication interface, control inputs, control outputs, and analog signal retransmission.